to understand that living in the Caribbean and living in Canada is two different scenarios. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to understand that your success depends on your mindset. What do I mean, Yasheika? Listen, the mindset work will start to trick you. My name is Yasheika Turner. If you're new to me, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the queen of thriving. I'm a multi-passionate, multi-skilled mom, wife, woman of faith who do all the things and who enjoys her freedom to do the things that I love to do. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to be mentally prepared after migrating to Canada. Number one, first things first, you have to understand that living in the Caribbean and living in Canada is two different scenarios. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to understand that your success depends on your mindset. What do I mean, Yasheika? Listen, the mindset work will start to trickle in. The self-sabotage, the limiting beliefs, the what if, that was me. All the thoughts. Soon as I got approved, I started packing and I started to be preparing, getting myself prepared for this transition. The what ifs, gremlins started coming in. Yasheika, what if this isn't the right move? What if you go to this place and you fail? What if life is not as good as you're expecting it to be? All the what ifs, what not. Listen, you're going to experience it too. Trust me. So you have to get your mindset right. Prepare your mindset so you can overcome these obstacles when they arise. Overcome these road traps of limiting beliefs when they arise. So number one, you have to remember, you have to have the mentality that you have to get out of your comfort zone. Yes, things might be somewhat comfortable where you're moving from. You might be in a permanent job. You might have your car, your house, support system, which is comfortable, but you just need more out of life. You need to expand more. You need to grow more. So that's the reason why you're moving. Now, you have to understand that this journey is going to be a journey where you're starting from the bottom. You have to creep before you walk. You have to be focused, have your tunnel vision on your why. Why am I migrating? What am I going for? What am I going to get? Write the vision and make it plain. Isolate yourself from negativity and negative people. Yes, I said it. Those negative friends and family would have just bombard your ears with, what if, where you go, you don't know Canada. Listen to me. Don't listen to them. Do not listen to them. You know where you're going. You know your purpose. You know what you want. Do you? Just drop them right now. After you leave and after things start get better, yes. But if you know you have negative friends and family, avoid them during this season. You don't need that. You need positive energy. You need to surround yourself with people who will pull you up than people who will tear you down. Find coaches, find some mentors, find a community. Find me. I'm here. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to me. That's why I created this channel. That's why I'm creating this community. That's why I'm doing these videos to help you, to support you along your journey. So if you know other persons who have been through this journey before, they have experienced it before, use those type of people as your motivators or as your influencers, so they will guide you and pull you up when you're feeling down. Because trust me, there will be times when you're feeling down. There will be times even after you've landed that you're gonna think, okay, I want to go back. So having good support system to knock some senses in your head when you feel like packing up and leaving. I remember feeling that way. One night I felt like, okay, I can't do this anymore. I have to go back home. And I had to be on the phone with one of my friends, one of my homies, Rosie. Shout out to Rosie. I would be calling her as my head hurt me, as me feel a little way. I had my support system who I could lean on for encouragement and support. She said to me, Yasheika, what's wrong with you? You can do this. You're a survivor. You can do this. Stop your foolishness. And whenever I feel like that, I find somebody to pick me up. And that's how I push. That's how I built my resilience and my persistence when I was feeling like turning back on this journey. Next step is for you to creep before you walk. After you land in Canada, do not compare yourself to the Joneses who have been here for months, for years. You are a brand new immigrant. You're a newcomer. Get used to that name. You'll be hearing that name a lot. You're a newcomer. So you have to act like a newcomer. You have to act like a kid starting to creep before walking. Acting like it's you're learning to ride a bike. Don't just jump on, just come, spend off all of your money, come living in this big glamorous life. You're gonna get big car, big house. Take your time. Go at your own speed. Stay in your own lane. Try not to compare yourself to other people. You will get distracted. You will get distracted. The next thing is to ask questions. Don't assume. People will take step of you. Trust me. You come here, you're starting to work, you're starting to go out, you're starting to get to socialize yourself with people. You have to speak up. Close mouth thing now work again. Speak up. Claim what you want. Ask questions. If you see a bus, if you're taking the bus and you're not sure what direction, ask questions before the bus take you away, before you get lost. Ask questions. Learn how to DIY. What is DIY, Yasheika? Do it yourself. So, if you're used to going to the hairdresser in Jamaica to get your hair done, doing your nails, going to restaurants to buy food, having a housekeeper, a helper, all those things, all those glamorous life, you will not possibly walk into immediately. It will take time to get back into that way of life. So you might have to wear some wigs. When I came a couple months after, I had to cut my hair because the salon here is so expensive to get your hair done. Not to mention the wait time. You're gonna wait like 3-4 hours, your day done. Do it yourself. Girl, I learned to box braid. I learned to crochet braid. I even learned how to lock my hair. I had micro locks. I'll show you a picture. Maybe I'll put it up here if I can do it. I sister locked my own hair, micro lock it. I did everything myself, DIY. If you can't cook so good, go and take some cooking lesson from your mother. In the meantime, go and watch some YouTube videos how to cook, because if you're gonna be spending money every day to buy fast food, takeout, your money gonna be finished before the time. You're gonna run out of your money, trust me. Next thing, do not get into the financial overwhelm. Learn to manage your money and learn to budget. When landing, you will need a certain amount of money to land here in Canada. For me, I sold out all my personal belongings, sold my car. I didn't own my house, I was renting, but I sold my car, sold all my furniture, and brought all the savings that I had. So I landed with the required amount for myself and my daughter. And I had to pinch that little money. Pinch it, take my time. Because when you're staying with people, if you're staying with somebody else, like I had the pleasure of staying with somebody else for a couple months until I get on my foot, get my own apartment. But still, you have to consider buying your own grocery, You have to be prepared for different seasons. So if you arrive in winter, you will need winter gears, your winter checklist. I'll try to do a video on that also. So learn to manage your money. Do not spend all the money one time. Get excited, go to the mall and shop, shop, shop. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't follow the Joneses. Okay. The next thing for you to do is set SMART goals. What do I mean by SMART goals? Time specific. Specific goals which are measurable, which are achievable, which are realistic in a specific time frame. So for me, I had all my goals all lined out. My very first goal was to pass my RN exam, which I did. After, the next thing was to get a job, which I did. Got the job. Next thing, get the apartment, get the car. So you set your goals. Okay, in 6 months, what's the first thing you want to achieve in 6 months? Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time after landing? Where do you see yourself in 10 years' time? So set SMART goals that you can achieve, right? And lastly, enjoy yourself in the process. All work and no play. Finish it. Finish it for me. Finish it in the comments. All work and no play. What? Finish it in the comments. Yes. So get to explore Canada. Try to find support system, whether it's church, for church family, other friends, other peers. Do not isolate yourself. This country can be a lonely walk as an immigrant, a new immigrant. So find friends, find other families, build a community, build a relationship with others who can take you, show you here, show you different places, and you can also explore on your own. This is your new country. This is your new home. You have to make the best of it and enjoy the journey. Enjoy the ride. Don't let fear, anxiety, depression to weigh you down. Have fun in the process. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscription button, like and follow, and also share with a friend. You might not need this information, but I'm sure you might know somebody who will. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.